That's a volcano.
What does that mean, a volcano?
A volcano is a mountain that opens downward into a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. When pressure builds up, eruptions occur. Gases and rocks shoot up through the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments.
There are
An
no
erupting volcano can trigger tsunamis, floods.
No.
Wait, we should try it. To make
Yeah, we can do it. But how? We have to do a volcano in our house. But we need a program.
Yeah, let's go ask our dad.
No. We have to buy stuff for the volcano.
Okay. It's not real. Let's go.
Come on.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Like experiment, volcano.
Yeah, we want to teach the people at home how to do a volcano. And I want to teach them.
Alright. Calm down. Alright, I understand you want to do a volcano, right?
Yeah.
So what do you need, guys?
We need supplies.
Oh, so you want me to drop you to the supermarket, right?
Yeah.
Like always. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Let's get my shoes ready. Yes. I'll get my shoes.
Now we're here.
At the supermarket.
Well, yeah, at the supermarket. Yeah. Well, now let's go. I'm so excited.
Yes, same. I've never been.
Let's go. I'm little scared. Let us record.
Because we can't. I don't know why we can't record.
That's sad, but we're just gonna go in. But you cannot.
Everybody record in there, and but why we know? Yeah, that's true.
Well,
So
let's go.
Let's go.
Bye. Guys, we're done shopping. So I'm gonna show you what we got. We got this cardboard, black colored. We got 2 glues in case, and we got staplers because we have one in home. Okay, what's the thing?
And we got a soap and baking soda. We need it for the volcano.
It's so hot. Let's go in the car.
Yes, after we can show you. That's all.
Okay guys, so we're back and we got the stuff. We got dish soap, we got baking soda and glue, and we got cup and water, staplers, I don't know what it's called really, scissors, paint, and we actually got some glitters.
To make it beautiful. And chills. Yes. And we get this for volcano. Yes, this for volcano.
Yes.
And we got this. And we got this cardboard or paper.
I didn't know. We got tissue.
Tissue. Yeah.
And
And this for can the lava go? Bah! Yeah, exactly. You're right.
that's okay. right.
So let's get started.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna open this.
Yeah.
Can you cut for me? Yes, you can cut for everyone.
Yes, Gary.
What's happened?
I don't know.
Is this big? Ooh.
Oh my God. How we can?
That's so
How you gonna cut it? I don't.
We're gonna take the size.
But you have to. We have to.
And this is kind of hard.
Yeah. How are we gonna do it? That's just so hard.
Okay guys,
We
this
done
took,
it. We made it. I
it
know.
took so long.
For Rawan to do dope. Mine's the best.
That's fine. Not that really good, but
Yeah, fine.
so now we're gonna do the tissue thing.
Give me. Water?
Yeah. Wait, guys, we should cut it
Why?
so it can be like a ball.
A ball. Okay.
Oh my God, what you doing?
What are you doing?
Now we're gonna put the water.
And the glue and kiss. Yeah, and then we're gonna stick. And after getting this thing, glue.
But that's okay.
Glue now. Glue. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Why?
What?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's already turned red.
The water's
Not now. It's for later.
Yeah, for later.
Later. Oh no. More. What? Okay. No, stir.
Shahad, don't touch something.
It's not your. Ooh.
It's kind of looking pretty.
No, it looks gross.
No, it looks pretty.
I want to touch it.
Ew. Why?
Because it's not stirring well. Now
She's cut it like this. And she cut it. Ooh.
No. What? She's correct. No, but you have not to put it like too long.
I know.
I think we need more colors. But that's fine, I don't care. Just put it. No, we have to put glue on it first.
Oh my god. It's okay. I can put it.
I want to put. There's no tissue. Yeah. Okay.
I can reach.
Now we're gonna put the colors.
So first, we're gonna do for me and then Rawan.
Oh, there.
After Rawan. After me. After Noni. Not too much. How can I open that? Let's open.
It doesn't open?
I try. Can I try?
Okay. We're gonna try our next open it.
I think I put a little more. Put a little more. That's enough. It's not happening. Okay, so let's do it.
Until they finish. Okay, let's do this. On my system because we're finally open it.
Yeah, so let's go. Maybe not one.
Oh, poor. That's it. Finally, now we're gonna do the grill. It's a sort of. First, we're gonna get the dish soap.
Yeah, you open it.
It's open?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's open. I was just making sure. Shahad.
Daddy, she drinking the.
I did it!
How? I didn't drink it.
Okay. Need to put more.
No, that's too much.
It's green, so what do you think the color will be?
I don't know.
Now we have to mix it.
Stir?
We'll
I
stir,
don't think
I
it's
guess.
gonna go a little.
It doesn't go in. There's a problem.
Guys, not for Noni because she's the small. No, first put it for Noni because she's the smallest. Maybe it's gonna be. Oh my God, guys!
You do so good. Well, it works, but didn't come out.
Yeah, that's a fail.
Now, Rawan,
Bayan. Bayan. You put some enough. Oh my God. Ah?
Yay!
No, your turn.
So beautiful.
Oh, and I think if yours is gonna be purple.
Yeah.
Maybe purple.
Nice.
No. It's falling.
And the
Guys, the black.
is it?
Mine's falling.
I don't know.
Mine's crying. Rawan, mine is crying.
Whoa, guys.
Yeah, my turn. My
Her
turn.
Whoa.
Now touch.
I'm scared to touch it because I'm
touch
first.
Wow.
Why am I black? Oh, my God, no! It's blue, like a... Hey! Guys, don't fight. It's fine. We got it. Okay. The mic. Put the teeth. We're supposed to do it in like rainbow. Oh my God! Look, it's rainbow. Yes. Wait. Go.
I want some more.
Okay, that's enough.
I want some more. Oh my God!
T-shirt. Take the t-shirt.
Again!
There, t-shirt. Okay, guys, this experiment
Was a total mess.
yes, but this was so fun. We had so much fun.
Why all of the hair? Mine, look at mine.
Ash! And thank you for watching. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and the bell.
Turn the bell
I
on.
don't have to say it. But
If it's red, turn it gray. Because gray is the way.
wait, bye.
Comment that if it was
If you
a
did-
mess or is it fail.
It was not.
Not a